Hey backdrop builders, this is my third time trying to get this under 2 minutes, so bear with me and just ask questions in the comments if I left you completely confused. So this is the AI entity character generator. It's going to help generate us modes for GPT. We're going to click on main.py, and I'm using Replit to generate my modes, but you can use whatever service you like. And we're going to create a REPL. I'm going to select Python. We'll just use whatever title they give me. It's going to generate a main.py. I'm going to click paste. This is directly from the GitHub. I'm going to click run. It's going to just ask us a series of questions. So we'll name it blue. Favorite color, we'll do green. Okay, here is where we pick a quote that we identify with, and then based off of that quote, it's gonna kind of envision what our personality might be and pair us with an ideal AI entity script. So we will do 12, and it saved the mode right here. And this is our new friend named Blue. We're gonna go to ChatGPT, and first we'll ask a question like, okay, so you could just see it kind of differentiates it a little bit. Use case, gaming, anything that might be helpful to have a lot of different characters interacting with each other in a quick way. Thanks for watching.